Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. So today I'm going to touch upon a very important topic, and that is nothing but options monthly income. And this is favorite of most of my followers, most of my subscribers, most of my friends who are in touch with me. Everyone have kept on asking me a safe, consistent, reliable, and something which we don't have to spend too much of time, no much tension, and especially for working people. Okay, so you all know that my channel is dedicated for the working people, where people those who are busy for the from 9 to 6, 9 to 5, and they don't have too much of time for trading. And you would have seen that I have already come out with lots and lots of strategies, and I'll just show you my channel. It's Angel Trading Friend, and I have uploaded lots of videos which are especially for working people. You can find the Nifty strategy, or you can find the trend analysis. There are n number of strategies in commodities as well as options as well as in stock market. But friends, the problem still continued. The challenges which they were facing is still the same way. How to escape this monotony of 9 to 5 job? Okay, so everyone kept on asking for a very safe and very consistent strategy where they don't have to spend too much of time, and how is that we can earn minimum of 5 to 10% every month. And then I decided that yes, a research which I already announced last week, a program which I announced last week, and then I thought it is high time we look into it. Okay, so what was the problems which were faced for these strategies which I was uploading already? All my strategies require only 5 minutes of your time daily. I have been showing it, I have been presenting it, I have been live trading it, I have been recording all the live trading videos, I was supporting in all kinds of ways, but still the problem, still the challenges is faced still, where the work pressure, during the work pressure, people you could not concentrate on the work, on the trading work. Then traveling in the morning, because most of my strategies, that we have to trade in the morning and then leave till end of the day. So the problem faced was traveling. Most of them were traveling in the morning and they could not open their mobile screens or their laptops to trade. Third thing is lack of discipline. You all know that my strategies are successful only in case if you follow discipline and trade daily. That is, if you take profits today and if you take losses tomorrow, you have to continue daily. Only then the profits will be more than the losses and you'll be able to recover all the losses. So due to the work pressure and all the meetings and commitments, many were not able to trade the discipline. And also one more big challenges most of them are facing was the daily brokerage cost. So since we were trading daily, there was a lot of brokerages involved. Daily brokerages also were eating up profits. So these were the challenges faced with the strategies which I was uploading for all the working people. I agree that still many are following it, many are using it. I'm not saying it is not bad, it's still good, and many people who are free, who are housewives, who are retired, all are still capable of generating income out of it. But what to do for working professionals? What's the solution for all this kind of challenges? Okay, so after a lot of research, lot of trading, lot of practice, the solution which I found and solution which I have been teaching to everyone is nothing but options. So what I'm going to do is I am going to teach how to generate monthly income from options. Okay friends, so now you might ask me that yes, there are a number of strategies on options already uploaded, and then what is different out of this? Friends, what I am going to do is I'll be training for 6 months. This is what I announced last week also, and I would like to just show the results of our options tactics, how it is, how the performance is, so that you get a better idea, and then how to spend less time. All these ideas you'll be able to understand. Okay, so in this we have to just spend weekly 5 minutes of your time. You don't have to look into your screen daily, just weekly 5 minutes, and then any adjustments are there, it has to be done. And adjustments, how to do that also I'll be teaching. There is very less brokerage in this. Okay, and the returns are very safe because it's an hedging strategy. Okay, so that was nothing but options trading tactics. Now this is not a trading strategy, because strategy, as I told you, are available already on my channel. You can go through the channel, you can see my channel, trading strategies, and you can study it. But what I'm going to teach you are the tactics which requires to generate monthly income. If you don't learn the tactics, you only will, it is like almost, which I told you previously, it's like this Chakra Vyuha in the Mahabharata. Okay, where Abhimanyu knew how to enter into the war into the scene of Chakravyuha, but he was not able to successfully come out because he was not knowing the exit strategy. In the same way is options as well. In options, there are hundreds and hundreds of strategies. Yes, options, strangles, vertical spreads, bear, put pair, calls, or iron condor, iron butterfly, iron fly. There are many strategies. So in YouTube or in Google, you will get to know which call to buy, which put to buy, everything details you will get to know. But how do we do the adjustments? If market moves in one direction, how to do the adjustment? If market moves in the other direction, how do we do the adjustments? These are the tactics which you have to learn, and it comes out of experience, it comes out of practice. So that is the reason why I am teaching this in this option trading tactics. So I'll just take you to the Excel, so you'll get a better idea what I'm talking about. Yeah. So this is the backtested data of 2018, and we have implemented this strategy. It's a clear-cut hedging strategy, no much of tension. If you just see the Excel data, you will not learn. You must learn the strategy and learn the tactics. But what I'm trying to show here is the potential of the strategy. Okay. So initially we just took 4 trades, and then we have to do 2 adjustments. And then you can see that there is no trade again in month of January, so full month we are in free. Again, once again, end of January expiry, in the next month February expiry we started again. You saw we took 4 trades, and then again adjustment of 2 trades. Adjustments are not there always, only in case if any requirement is there only will do. So this is how we keep doing. You can see most of the time there is no trading and there is no much work to be done. But see the profit potential. Okay, in the month of Jan, you can see that we made almost 411 points. 124 plus 287 give us 411 points of profit. When you multiply it with 75, you can see that I multiplied with 75. It has given 30,825 rupees profit with one single lot. Now you might ask me what's the investment. For Nifty, the approximate investment required is around 1.5 to 1.6 lakh. In case if you're doing with weekly options, it might require less than 1 lakh. In case if you're doing Bank Nifty also, you might require less than 1 lakh. If you're doing with stock, again, you might require higher funds. So it depends on which segment you choose, but the strategy remains the same. Okay. So January, this was the performance. I'll just show you February. Again, we made 584 points, and for the 43,800. Then again you can see in March also 126. So it goes on like this, and then you can see, I'll just show you the total points in the year of 2018 is 3,584. Okay, and the amount, if you multiply with 75, it comes to 2,68,000. So it is almost more than 100% returns, where you don't have to spend much time, much headache. Okay, now I'll just, you can see that even I am also using the same thing. This is my positions as of now. We are only completed 1 week, and this is not the position of only me. This is the position of everyone who are trading along with me, who have learned these techniques and tactics. As of now, you can see there are 4 line items, and you can see all the product are normal products. So that means it is not intraday. We just have to buy the orders and buy and sell the orders at end of the expiry, and then we have to just wait if any adjustments to be done. Depending on the movement of market, we'll do the adjustments. And you can see the profit already. We are at 63,000. That is close to almost 2% of my capital. So in 1 week time itself, we already reached 2% returns. And then you know that options expiry, options premium gives us good money by end of the month. So if we wait till end of the month, we are able to make more better profits. Okay, so this is the beauty of the strategy. Without much work, without much tension, I hardly spend any time in my kite. You can see that my daily intraday tradings are all done on Upstock. So in Zerodha, I just keep my excess funds and they just implement this technique and just leave. And end of the month, it is just giving me and returns. It's like almost getting the salary end of the month. Only that your salary will be on the last Thursday. It's because you know that our expiry is on the last Thursday. So that is the only difference here. Okay, but last but not the least, you will get the profits. Okay, so in case if you want to replace your salaries by implementing a simple technique, options technique, then this is the best method. Okay friends, so this is what all I was talking about, the options trading tactics. You enter a trade. There are many methods, many people telling how to enter the trade. But same like Chakravyuha, as I told you, many people know how to enter into the option. You'll get it in Google, you get it in YouTube. But how to do the adjustments, how to do the changes to be done, that is what you'll be learning in this option trading tactics. Okay, and also this is not something which you can learn in just 1 month or 1 week and then just start implementing always. What I recommend is it needs consistent support, guidance till you become perfect in it. That is the reason why I have kept it for 6 months minimum training. This is what compulsorily, forcefully I am forcing everyone. Don't start jumping into it. In fact, I am using it from past 5 to 6 months. I am very confident about the results. Backtested data also so good. That's the reason why I am publishing it now. And then in case if you want to start training now, start learning now, I would recommend at least practice it for 1 month, paper trade for minimum 1 month along with me under my guidance. And then if you're comfortable, if you're doing it correctly, only then I will give you approval to do with real cash. So while doing with real cash also, we will be discussing daily, we will be whenever there are adjustments. In fact, there is no requirement to discuss daily. Only if the adjustments are there, if there are sudden movements in market, only then we are going to discuss, we are going to move the options, we are going to move one leg or these 2 legs as per our strategy. We'll keep doing it as per our tactics, we'll be doing it. Okay, so this is all about this options trading tactics and the monthly income which you'll be able to generate out of it. Okay friends, so thank you for watching the video. Please do subscribe to my channel Angel Trading Friend if you're not done still. And in case if you need doubts or in case if you want the backtested Excel file, you can just WhatsApp on my number 8095876525. And don't forget to join Upstock with the link provided in the description of this video as well. You'll get lots of offers and discounts. Okay friends, so as always, have a nice day. Thank you. Meet you soon.